This is the tutorial for our advanced Calavera skull. We're going to begin with the eye sockets. So create 2 symmetrical large eye sockets. And our nose is going to kind of look like an upside down heart. For the cheekbones, you're going to bring the line down, curve it where your cheeks would be, and then bring 2 lines down for the tops of your teeth. For the base of our skull, bring a huge curve around from cheekbone to cheekbone. Next, we're going to start with the mandible, our jaw. Bring a line down from the cheekbone, curve it around, and back up. Let's finish out these teeth. This is going to divide our top teeth from our bottom teeth. And next, to make it look like a jaw, we're going to put these letter J type looking shapes to separate the top of the skull from the jawbone. Let's begin with our teeth. You can start with a simple line and then curve the top teeth and the bottom teeth out from there. And do that all the way to the edge of your teeth line. Tops and bottoms. Or if you want, you can just do one curvy line to go ahead and make it easier and get the top and the bottom teeth together at one time. Alright, your skull looks good. Now let's turn it into a calavera with decorations. I like to begin with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and add small flowers inside the eye sockets. That begins with a circle and then following petals. There are so many ways you can design your calavera. So start with simple shapes, lines, and then have the left side match the right side with symmetry. You can keep it floral, or you can change it up a bit. Have fun, guys!